Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by opening Sheets and signing in. Use the same Google account as Drive for file access. Once done, enable sync so edits update across devices, and exempt Sheets from battery optimization if you want background sync. Now create a new sheet or tap an existing file to open it. You'll see the grid and toolbar. Tap a cell to start typing or the plus to add rows. This gets you into the app fast so you can start building your workbook. You'll enter data directly into cells and drag the fill handle to autofill sequences or copy formulas. Once data is in, format cells from the toolbar. Choose number formats like currency or percent and set dates for consistency. For calculations, tap a cell type equals and use SUM if VLOOKUP or other functions. Sheets suggests functions as you type. Make sure to use paste special for values when you don't want formulas to change. This middle stage is where accuracy and structure matter. You'll finish by sharing the sheet and setting permissions. Choose edit, comment, or view so collaborators can act appropriately. Once done, make sure important files are available offline via the File menu so you can work without Signal and let them sync when you reconnect. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, update Sheets from the Play Store, and confirm Drive storage and sharing permissions. These final steps secure access and resolve common sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.